इमाम वक्त के कदमों में अपनी जान रख देना.
They are joining in as well. They are watching. They are coming together to watch MTA and to take part in the Jalsa Salana. And from Thailand, we are able to speak to Kurina Fazal Ahmed Sahib, who is the national president and missionary in charge in Thailand. Fazal Sahib, really good to connect with you and to be able to speak with you here from Hadikatul Mahdi on this occasion of the Jalsa Salana.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam. Fazal Sahib, so wonderful.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. We are thankful to Allah the Almighty that by the grace of Allah, Jemaat Ahmadiyya Thailand is taking its step in a new era of history. Today we are joining Jalsa Salana UK. We are live stream. We are being brought together through modern technology and other electronic communication, so that we get benefit from Jalsa program in the same way. It is happening as people are sitting in the Jalsa watching and listening to the Jalsa as if we are present in this Jalsa. Look like global village. It is one of the great blessings that has been given upon us by Allah the Almighty.
MashaAllah, Fazal Sahib, really amazing to see brothers and sisters there in Thailand watching Jalsa Salana and taking part, and really lovely to see all of the people there. Fazal Sahib, how many people do you have there in the masjid who are watching MTA and are watching the Jalsa Salana?
We have the total number of our members in Thailand is 1,150 people. Some people sitting here. It is all our Sadran in Thailand and Amla and Kaiz and also Jaim Ansurullah sitting here. But some people watching and listening at Namaz Center, and some people listening from their house. So our people here divide to 7 halqas, and some people what it is listening and watching at their home.
Jazakallah Fazal Sahib. Assalamu alaikum. Jazakallah.